ಅಮ್ಮ. ನನ್ನ ಮಗ ವಿಜಯರಾಜ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ವಿಜಯರಾಜ. ವಿಜಯರಾಜ ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಗು, ಸಂತೋಷ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಹಳ ಇಷ್ಟ, ತುಂಬ ಪ್ರಾಣ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಅನ್ನೀಸಿ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೊರಟು ಬಿಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಮನೇಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಮ್ಮನ ಜೊತೆ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ, ಡ್ಯಾಡಿ ಜೊತೆ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಷ್ಟ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ನಾಟಿ, ತುಂಬ 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 ನಾಟಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಫಸ್ಟು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟು, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲಿಸ್ಟು. ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸಾಲದು. ಜೆಮ್ ವಿಜಯರಾಜ.
During school days he was average, but once he entered college, PUC level, the whole scenario changed. As a matter of fact, in his first year, after first year PUC exams, his principal sent word for me. I was afraid if there is any complaint against him, but then he said, suddenly he said, why don't you just encourage him a little more, we will get a rank for our college. Then I was taken back. So that was the change, sudden change in his character and outlook about the education and all that.
ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ
ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟು, ಏಕಾದಶಿ ಉಪವಾಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಉಪವಾಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟ.
His sister-in-law used to call him as fruit boy. As a matter of fact, my brother was in service in Mandya. He was in government service. He was a doctor also. And during holidays, my children had gone there. As a matter of fact, it so happened, they were in the extension, they were living in the extension. One person, the fruit dealer, actually, hawker actually, he used to bring the cart with so many fruits. And it seems my sister at that time, because he was just a boy, he made him sit in the cart and go on eating whatever you want, and told the fellow, I will pay the bill at the end, you come back.
ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ನಾಟಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟು ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಮತ್ತು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಜ್ವರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರೇ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಭಾಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜಯ್, VIJAY, 5 ಅಕ್ಷರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾನು 5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ಥರ BCom, ICWA, LLB, CA, SCS ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ನಾನು 5 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ VIJAYಗೆ ಅಂತ. ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆಡೋದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಮೊದಲೆಲ್ಲ ಟಿ ವಿಗಳು ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆಚೆ ಕಡೆನೇ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡೋದು, ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದೆ.
He makes any situation lively.
ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣನ ಜೊತೆ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಮು ಭಾಳ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಈಗ ಅವ್ರ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಮೆರಿಕಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಂದಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಟಿ ಆಡೋದು, ಲಾಲ್ಬಾಗ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಫಿಲಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ, ಹೋಟೆಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಥರ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ.
More than friends.
Hello everybody, happy morning to all of you. I'm your sir's daughter. My dad is amazing to be with. I love to be with him. It's true that everybody has a source of happiness, right? All of us find joy in doing something, being with somebody. For him, you all are his source of happiness. He's always jumping with joy and happiness when he's going to class, coming back from class. And as my grandmother told you all, he loves to keep the place lively and happy. So we really enjoy, you know what, we can hear you all laughing when he's taking class, and we really enjoy that moment. So it's very nice to know that you all give him so much love and affection. and he equally loves you all. And the bond between students, all of you, and my dad as a teacher, I think that bond is an amazing bond because it is two-sided love. You all love him and he loves you. 143 and 143 too. I think the best gift that you all can give him is your marks and scores. When he's really happy, I ask him, what is this happiness because of? And he comes and tells me, he speaks a lot, and then everything is because, look at this girl, my student, look at this boy, my student, he's done this, she's done that. It's all your achievements that make him so happy. So I want you all to keep him happy and be happy by making him proud, and all the best for all of your futures. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I am Vijay Raja sir's wife, and I would like to talk about him as a multi-role wonder because he plays so many roles and he gives justice to all those roles. So firstly, as a son, he respects his parents a lot. He makes sure that he fulfills whatever they want. He takes them out, he spends time with them every day in spite of being busy throughout the day. He makes sure that he spends time with them every day. And as a brother, he always sees his brother as a role model, and they spend time with each other, gel well. It's nice to see them getting along well. And as a family, we make sure that we meet every year. They come here and we go there, and when we are together, it's a fun time as a family. So it's only the distance of miles, it's not a distance of heart at all, because both of them make sure that they spend time with each other whenever they are together. And he always looks up to his brother as a role model. That's about him, his role as a brother. And as a husband, he's been very supportive, very understanding. He understands my dreams and aspirations. He guides me, and he guides me with decision making. And yeah, I am studying now as well, so he guides me with my studies and my ambitions. He understands my ambitions. He's very supportive, and yeah, he makes sure that he spends time with me, takes me out as well. As a father, he's very sensitive, he's very supportive of their dreams, and he always says them, I'm with you as long as it's something purposeful that you're doing, and I'm always there to guide you. He always guides them whenever they're in a dilemma, especially my daughter. Yeah, it's their growing up years and they have a lot of doubts. They need clarity with a lot of things, so he makes sure that he gives time so that he clarifies whatever they have in mind. And as a friend also, he's been in touch with all his close friends from 1992, and as families we are all good friends. All the families have also become close with each other. His best friends Guru, Shri, Murli and Kumar are always there for him. We are like a family. We are there for each other. And finally, as a teacher, I think taking classes is something which he is really passionate about, and he looks forward to taking classes every day. For him, every day is like a new day. He always says, you may not believe, but he always tells me I can give something better to my students. I think I can do much better, is what he always says. So he's always trying to give his best. So he really looks forward to the classes. And I think teaching brings out the best in him also. Yeah, like my daughter said, for him, the best gift is your success, and wishing you all a very good future, a very bright future. And thank you all for showing so much love. Thank you so much.
Thank you.